Hello everyone, today I have another interesting thing for you. I ordered some books from Flipkart on a sale and I'm gonna be unboxing these with you today. Let us see how the books are. I very strongly believe in the universe and the destiny, and I feel like every book comes into your life when it is most required or when it is most needed for. Just imagine you have thousands of books in this universe and a particular book comes into your life at a very particular time, and I believe there must be a reason for it. And same goes for this book that I'm gonna be unboxing first. This book has been on my TBR for quite a lot of time, and this has been ordered by me now, and I believe that this can help me in some way or the other. So let's see which is this book. So the first book is The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma, and I frankly would say that I have quite a lot of hopes from this book, and let's see how it turns out, and I will be posting a review about it, so stay tuned. Now this next book is a recommendation from my sister. She read this book and was so impressed by it, after me to read it very soon, and so here it is. And this book is Inner Engineering by Sadhguru, as you can see, and it has a very pretty cover, I would say. Isn't it beautiful? What do you say? I have watched a lot of videos of Sadhguru on YouTube, and a lot of his ideas I could feel connection to or I could resonate with. So I hope this book really gives me some value. Now the next is a trilogy. The first trilogy I read from this author made me a fan of his, and I really wanted to read this trilogy now, so I ordered it. Let's see what is it. Now this is a trilogy from Amish Tripathi, the Ramchandra series, and it has 3 books in it: Ram, Sita and Ravan, as you can see, and I'm quite a fan of it, so I am really hoping that these 3 turn out as well as the first 3 books I read from him were. The last book that I ordered is a autobiography, and I have tried to read this quite a lot of times in the past few years unsuccessfully, and I tried it in the audiobook too, but it didn't work. So I wanted to read it badly, so I ordered a hard copy this time, and I really hope that I am able to finish it this time. Now this book is the autobiography of Benjamin Franklin. He is one person that I wanted to read about and know about his life, and this is the only way we could know about somebody, like in true sense. So this is the book that I ordered, and the print is also quite good. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. So these were the books that I ordered this time on Flipkart, and it's a blend of mythology, fiction and self-help. This was it for today. Thank you for sticking till the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.